So you're thinking about moving to Las Vegas, Nevada? But you're not sure what type of home to buy with a number of different options available to you. Well, then this video is for you. That's because we're going to discuss why you should buy a new construction home here in Las Vegas. And you're gonna wanna stick around until the end because the last reason may be the most important one of them all. So let's get after it right now. Hi, my name is Mark Pepe, and I absolutely love helping people discover all things Las Vegas, including Las Vegas real estate. If this is the type of content that resonates with you, make sure you subscribe here below and you tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market here in Las Vegas. With so much happening almost daily, we are passionate about removing the stress of relocating to a completely new city and state. If you're thinking about making that move, whether it be 9 days or 9 months, feel free to give us a call, text, or email. All that information is in the description below. You know, Las Vegas has long been known for its entertainment, hospitality, and vibrant nightlife. But in recent years, it has also emerged as one of the most attractive housing markets in the United States. With steady population growth, major infrastructure investments, and a diversified economy, Southern Nevada continues to draw families, retirees, remote workers, and entrepreneurs alike. Within this growing market, new construction homes stand out as an especially compelling option for buyers. While resale homes can certainly offer charm in established neighborhoods, new construction homes provide a unique combination of factors that is difficult to match. In a city like Las Vegas, where climate, lifestyle, and rapid development all play a role, buying a newly built home can be a smart, strategic decision rather than just a lifestyle upgrade. So, here are 5 detailed reasons why doing so is worth serious consideration. Number 1 is modern design built for today's lifestyle. One of the most obvious and appealing reasons to buy a new construction home here in Las Vegas is its modern design. Today's builders are designing homes specifically for how people actually live now, not how families lived 30 to 40 years ago. This is especially important in a fast-growing, forward-looking city like Las Vegas. New construction homes typically feature open concept floor plans that blend kitchens, dining areas, and living spaces into a single, cohesive environment. These layouts are ideal for entertaining, family gatherings, and everyday functionality. In Las Vegas, where hosting friends, watching sports, or enjoying indoor-outdoor living is common, open layouts feel particularly natural as well. Kitchens in new homes are also a major upgrade compared to older resale properties. Buyers can expect large center islands, walk-in pantries, modern cabinetry, quartz or granite countertops, energy efficiency appliances, and thoughtful lighting. These kitchens are designed to be both visual appealing and highly functional, often serving as a central hub of the home. Then you have the primary suites, which in new construction homes are larger and more luxurious, frequently including spa-like bathrooms with walk-in showers, dual vanities, soaking tubs, and spacious walk-in closets. Secondary bedrooms are often more flexible as well, designed to function as home offices, gyms, or guest rooms, an increasingly important feature in the era of remote work. In addition, new homes in Las Vegas often emphasize indoor-outdoor living, with covered patios, sliding glass doors, and backyard-ready layouts that are common, allowing homeowners to enjoy the desert climate during cooler months. This seamless connection between indoor comfort and outdoor space is something many older homes lack or require extensive renovations to achieve. Ultimately, modern design isn't just about aesthetics. It's about comfort, efficiency, and adaptability. New construction homes in Las Vegas are built for today's lifestyle and tomorrow's needs. Number 2 is energy efficiency and lower utility costs. Las Vegas is a desert city, and energy efficiency matters. Summers are long and hot, and air conditioning is not optional, it's essential. One of the strongest financial arguments for buying a new construction home here in Las Vegas is significantly improved energy efficiency, which can translate into meaningful long-term savings. New homes are built under modern energy codes that require better insulation, tighter building envelopes, higher performance windows, and more efficient HVAC systems. Compared to older homes, new construction properties are better at keeping cool air inside during the summer months and warm air inside during the winter months. Energy efficient windows with low emissivity coatings help reduce heat transfer, keeping interiors more comfortable even during extreme temperatures that we can have here during the summer. Improved insulation in walls and attics minimize temperature fluctuations and reduces the workload on heating and cooling systems. Many new construction homes also come equipped with smart thermostats, allowing you to control temperatures remotely and optimize energy usage. Some communities even offer solar-ready designs or optional solar panel installations, which can further reduce monthly energy costs and future-proof the home against rising utility rates. Water efficiency is another important consideration here in Las Vegas. New homes typically feature low-flow toilets, faucets, and shower heads, as well as efficient irrigation systems designed for desert landscaping. It's these features that not only reduce water bills, but also align with Southern Nevada's long-term water conservation efforts. Over time, the combination of lower electricity, gas, and water costs can add up to thousands of dollars in savings. While new construction homes may sometimes carry a slightly higher upfront purchase price, the reduced operating costs often help offset that difference, making them a financially sound choice over the long term. Number 3 is reduced maintenance and fewer unexpected repairs. One of the most underestimated benefits of buying a new construction home is peace of mind. Older homes, even those that appear well maintained, often come with hidden issues that include aging roofs, outdated plumbing, worn electrical systems, or HVAC units nearing the end of their lifespan. These problems can quickly turn into expensive surprises. New construction homes, by contrast, are built with brand new systems, materials, and components. Roofs, plumbing, electrical wiring, air conditioning units, and appliances are all new, meaning homeowners are less likely to face major repairs in the first several years of ownership. In Las Vegas, the extreme heat can put an additional stress on HVAC systems and roofing materials. Having new, up-to-date equipment is particularly valuable. Modern air conditioning systems are more durable and efficient, and new roofing materials are designed to withstand intense sun exposure better than older alternatives. Most new construction homes also come with builder warranties. These typically include a 1-year workmanship warranty, a 2-year systems warranty, and a 10-year structural warranty, although coverages vary by builder. These warranties provide an extra layer of protection and financial security, ensuring that if something does go wrong, it is often covered at little or no cost to the homeowner. Reduced maintenance means more predictable expenses and less stress. Instead of budgeting for surprise repairs, you can focus on enjoying your new home and building equity. If you're a first-time buyer, a busy professional, or retiree, it's this reliability that is a major advantage. Number 4 is customization and personalized options. Another major reason to buy a new construction home here in Las Vegas is the opportunity to personalize your living space from the very start. Unlike resale homes, where buyers must accept existing finishes or pay for expensive renovations, new construction often allows you as the buyer to tailor your home to your unique preferences. Depending on the stage of construction, you may be able to choose from different floor plans, exterior elevations, interior finishes like cabinetry, cabinets, flooring, light fixtures, and even structural options, such as additional rooms or extended patios. This level of customization allows you to create the perfect space that truly reflects your lifestyle and taste. Technology customization is another advantage. New construction homes are often pre-wired for high-speed internet, security systems, smart home features, and electrical vehicle charging stations. As technology continues to evolve, having a home that is already designed to support modern connectivity is a significant benefit. Personalization also extends to functionality. You can choose layouts that suit multi-generational living, along with home offices or rental flexibility. With Las Vegas attracting remote workers, entrepreneurs, and extended families, having a home that adapts to unique living arrangements is increasingly important. Rather than inheriting someone else's design choices, new construction buyers can start absolutely fresh. This not only enhances daily enjoyment of the home, but can also improve long-term satisfaction and resale appeal. And number 5 is strong long-term value in a growing market, which is quite possibly the most important reason of them all. Las Vegas continues to experience long-term growth driven by job expansion and diversity, population increases, infrastructure investment, and relative affordability compared to other major Western cities. Buying a new construction home positions buyers like yourself to benefit from this growth over time. New developments are often located in master plan communities, like the one I am at here called Ascension in Summerlin. With thoughtful layouts, amenities, and future expansion in mind, most of these communities include parks, walking trails, community centers, pools, and nearby retail, all of which enhance quality of life and support property values. As surrounding areas continue to develop, new construction homes often appreciate alongside improved infrastructure such as schools, roads, shopping centers, and entertainment options. Buying early is key. It is also in a growing area that can offer significant upside as the community matures. Newer homes often tend to remain competitive in resale markets longer than older properties. Modern layouts, energy efficiency, and updated systems help new construction homes retail appeal for future buyers, reducing the risk of functional obsolescence. In addition, Las Vegas benefits from Nevada's favorable tax environment, including zero state income tax. This makes homeownership more affordable over time and increases the city's attractiveness to both residents and investors. New construction homes, with their lower maintenance costs and modern features, are particularly appealing to relocating buyers, quite possibly like yourself, and long-term renters. When viewed as both a lifestyle choice and a financial asset, a new construction home here in Las Vegas offers a compelling balance of comfort, efficiency, and growth potential. Well, this gives you a good overview on why you should buy a new construction home right here in Las Vegas. Doing so is about more than just buying or moving into a brand new house. It's about embracing modern living, reduced long-term costs, minimizing stress, and positioning yourself for future growth in one of the nation's most dynamic markets. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a growing family, a remote professional, retiree, or someone looking to relocate to Southern Nevada, choosing a new construction home can be a strategic and a rewarding decision. I can vouch for this from first-hand experience, living here for now over 18 years. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Please like and share it. Please subscribe below and comment if you have any questions or found this video helpful. Also, don't forget to check out our other videos on moving to Las Vegas and the surrounding areas so you can continue to get a realistic sense of what it would feel like to live right here in the Las Vegas Valley. So, whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or even schedule a Zoom appointment here in the description below. We can't wait to help you make a smooth and a stress-free move to Las Vegas. So, until next time, we hope to show you around new construction communities here in town very, very soon.